Yo, what's up, Muli Bunch? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Tswana TT Ndimankala kuno ku USA, Dimachagera ku Botswana. Somebody suggested that I react to Grin. No. Mike Mesh featuring Grin and Charisma. LALA's the name of the song. I don't have much time, so we're just gonna jump to it. If you're here for the first time, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. You know what I mean? So let's get to it without wasting any time. Hey, it's Saturday. It's a Saturday vibe.
Unalipuwanga kodinkani unangondipanga ghost zoti chatanadziwira mapost unandijetsa frasi ndimayimwera mowa ndingakufira usadzafe uzangosowa chikondi cha headache yosamva painkiller misozi yambiriwe mamuna salira kundipatsa heartache ngati ndizinga.
Wow, so I understand chikondi cha headache. Love is a headache. You need a pill. A man cries. I can understand most of the things they say. It's just so hard for me to like say that. So let me know in the comment section if I'm right or am I right? You know.
I've been hurt before, but I hear love is beautiful. I've been hurt before. I wanna try love is beautiful.
Don't get it twisted. Life is a beautiful thing without the mistakes. Too many beautiful moments and heartbreaks. Sema koma nkuwawa zinto zake. Don't get it twisted. Life is a beautiful thing without the mistakes. Too many beautiful moments and heartbreaks. Sema koma nkuwawa zinto zake. Depend on my mo.
Charisma. Oh man. It's been a minute since I've seen any of his videos. If I'm remembering correctly.
Love is a beautiful thing. Love is a beautiful thing. Lala is a beautiful thing.
Big guy.
Love is a gift and a curse. 1 minute you win and the next minute it hurts.
Hey.
You feel in the voice, scoring the.
This guy got sank, man. Like I don't know.
The one that replaced. De ukati ugwele chikondi mpaka fumu ipepele akazi wa ukati utengele utopusa nazo udolo chipele. But still we try loving until we die. In the end it's you and I. Love is a beautiful thing. I'ma do it till I die.
Life is a beautiful thing without the mistakes. Too many beautiful moments and heartbreaks. Sema koma nkuwawa zinto zake. Don't get it twisted. Life is a beautiful thing.
I forgot what "wawa" means. I know that word, but I forgot what it means.
Without the mistakes, too many beautiful moments and heartbreaks. Sema koma nkuwawa zinto zake. Dependo magwela mo, kena ko akusia mo. Dependo malila ku, ndawizi no manjo yaku. Love is a beautiful thing. Love is a beautiful thing. Love is a beautiful thing. Lala is a beautiful thing. Lala is a beautiful thing. Love is a beautiful thing. Lala is a beautiful thing.
Yo, love is a beautiful thing. That's true. We can agree on that. That's a beautiful song, man. It's so chill. I think it's oozing swag and maturity. I don't know, like, you know, we know what we're talking about. We're no longer running after weird things. We're just gonna stick to the music, and it's just beautiful. I don't know. Anyway, I don't want to say too much because you know, people nowadays are short-tempered. Thank you so much for watching this video, man. Thank you so much for checking this out. Thank you so much for the suggestion. Ziko Mokombele, please suggest more music, and if I get to it, I'll get to it. You know what I mean? If I don't get to it, don't be upset. We'll find time. Yeah, Take Grin. It's good to see this, guys. And this song is new, if I'm not mistaken, right? Like not so long ago. So actually, I'm gonna have to react to Take Grin's new song. I think I saw a video here. So if you wanna check that one out, please follow me to the next video. Let's